Jordan 3 Patchwork Camo. Let's get right into the video. Let's go. It's mad late. I want to get this video done with. So let's get right into it. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and it's literally late night. I'm tired. But in the morning, I can't even film this because these shoes gotta go. I sold it. I pre-sold it. And luckily I did, cause at least I made some money, because they was sitting on the sneakers app. Like, yeah, they was sitting on the sneakers app for like 3 minutes. And I think I still have the got on picture. If I do, y'all see it in the video. I forgot this is still the intro. Okay, so excuse me for all of that. Shit. Either way, what's good? Little Roy here. If you're new, subscribe. We're on our way to 400 plus subs, as well as comment. I respond to all my comments. If you're new here, yeah, I respond to all my comments. For the people that have been here, y'all already know what's up. So also like the video, share the channel. Let's get more people to join the squad. Other than that, that's all I really gotta say. Besides, ladies, you should be in my DM right now, because my Instagram DM is always available for the beautiful females out there. So hit that Instagram DM, as well as yeah, check out the main channel. Those links will be down below in the description. So let's get right into the video, because I'm tired as hell. So I'm filming this for you guys, as well as I want to look at the shoe, because I really didn't look at it in depth. So let's get right into it. So literally off rip, can't forget that, off rip, literally just like the last previous video that I just posted. Literally while you watching this, the recent video I just posted, because I'm going to edit this and I'm going to post this tomorrow, which is today, but you guys don't know that, so whatever. Right now you're watching the video, and I filmed this video last night, basically. So just like the Air Jordan 9 boots, if you go back like a week or so, I did the thumbnail with the Jordan 9 boots. They had the same box. So somebody please tell me what's going on with Jordan, Nike, of giving the weird sneakers or whatever, boots, I don't get. Alright, you can't say it has to be some type of, I mean, the box has a meaning, yes, with all Jordan stuff, right? I'm not going to do another thumbnail. Maybe I should do a thumbnail and troll, have the same type of box and thumbnail like I did for the 9s. But there's no correlation from the 9s and these camos. The only thing I could say is maybe there's a comparison, like a deeper meaning, because the Jordan 9 boots is used for military as well, correct? Boom. What are these called? The freaking, I literally just said it too, the patch, whatever I just said in the intro, I forgot. The Patchwork 3s, Patchwork Camo and the Jordan 9 boots and camo they use in the army. So we might be up to something, but I don't get why those shoes have anything to do with this amazing Jordan box, with all his classic moments, especially right there with Utah, right there. I don't get what that has to correlate. I know the shoes could correlate, but what the hell does that have to do with the type of amazing box that they keep giving these random shoes? You get what I'm saying? So yeah, if you want to check out the box, I'm not going to do a whole in-depth like I did with the Jordan 9s, but you could pause the video and just watch it. I am showing you guys a little bit, so can't say I'm half-assing a little bit. I do have a little bit of energy. I'm not that tired, but I am tired. But you can see some of the side. By the way, this size is 11.5. You can see right there. I try to go for 12.5. Obviously, it's sold. That's the money size right there. And 12, yeah, I didn't want to go for 12. I don't know why, but either way, 11.5. I made my profits. That's it. I thought there was something there, but it's the shadow. But all right, let's get into the shoe. Enough with the box. Regular black paper, and they double it with the white paper, just like they did for the Jordan 9s. Nothing crazy in here. It's always the same box. But let's see this shoe and how much detail. Wow, this shoe, I swear, Jordan, I swear they, like, I guess that's their version of raising the price. Why? because they're putting so much like into the shoe. Like, when the hell did we keep seeing? I'm convinced every sneaker now has a baggie for laces or something, because let's just do a quick thumbnail and then we'll talk about all the details. Cause I know a lot of people are probably watching this like, damn, should I had went for the shoe? Is it a brick? Should I go buy it for resale? All that good stuff. Extra shoelaces and a freaking pendant. Either way, let's get it. Let's get the quick thumbnail. Fix my head. Let's put the extra stuff on the side so you can actually see the shoe, just in case. That's how it looks. Oh yeah, I did say I'm a troll and put the same thumbnail as I did for the Jordan 9 boots. So where's the box at, on this side or this side? I don't know. But hold on, let's tuck the paper in. Let's get a little professional. Oh shit. Okay. Tuck that in. I didn't want nothing to fall on my iced tea. But let's flip the laces. Let's do all this. And let's troll a little bit. Right? Let's put this here. Put the box right here. You really see how we create thumbnails. Put the hat, the hoodie down. Let's say the hat. Because, you know, I ain't trying to look crazy all the time. Let's get this quick thumbnail. Oh my god, how is the phone gonna notify me that it's dying when I'm doing a damn thumbnail? Jesus Christmas, man. This is my cue to, like, come on now with the video. Let's get a little closer, but then show the box. Boom. Okay, so here we are. Let's just show this because this is real quick. Like I said, I'm convinced that's why Nike, Jordan, all is trying to raise prices, because they're trying to say, oh, we're getting more expensive material. We just added shit just to raise prices. Like, first of all, I didn't look at it, right? That's what I do my own reviews. I don't really do too much, because I don't really, if it's not a personal shoe, I'm not gonna look up stuff for the shoe until I get my personal pair, as well as I look at other review channels, because obviously I want to see the shoe I want, right? So I look up videos. But this is like, where's these patches going? You got a camouflage camo. It says Nike there. I don't want to pull it just because I pull it off. It's Nike. I think there's two of them, or it might be thick that it's just one. But where is this going? This patch. I don't know if it's like souvenir or it gets put somewhere. Right, so I don't know. That's this shoe. Now let's keep it moving. There's no difference in the shoe, so I don't have to hold both. Like I said in every other video, they're giving laces to every shoe now. I don't know if that's making every shoe better or is just ruining the value of a Jordan 1, because Jordan 1 was the one with the original colored different laces. Now every shoe needs different laces, apparently. So annoying. But yeah, it got the, what is this, brown? So you got a little brown shoelace right there. I know it's reflecting off the light, but, and then you got the orange. And then, of course, it comes with the original black laces. So, let's finally get into the shoe, right? What I could say is, this feels rich. I can see why retail was pretty pricey. I really don't remember how much it was. Let's see the box real quick. Hold on. Come on, man. Why you gotta make stuff so difficult with prices and the box and this and that? I see him getting annoyed because there's just so much extra shit they be doing sometimes. Okay, so yeah, retail was $200 plus tax and all that good stuff, whatever. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, so what I could say, this definitely feels rich. I can see why retail was $200. I'm surprised they didn't do like some, oh, it's a collab type of deal, let's make retail $220. Because, you know, sometimes they put, you know, Nike and Jordan, they do that. Random ass shoe will have a high retail, and you're like, what the hell, that shoe's a brick. For resellers, for personal, you might not care, but at the same time, you're like, why is it so pricey? Because I can see they definitely did put a lot of effort, a lot of stuff into this shoe. Like, it's just so much going on. But yeah, overall, it's a camouflage shoe. It's whatever. That's the details. Like, you could look at it just from this angle. It has the same type of coloring on the other side too, just different spots a little bit. But it's like, it's just so much going on. Like, without even saying it, it just looks like a lot going on. You got so much different color pattern, color blocking. It's like, this is overall like a military shoe. You got like the olive green. One thing I could say about this back cement color, it looks black, but it's not. It's like cement, sweatpants type of deal. I definitely like this. Probably the best part of the shoe. It's like rough. It feels like sandpaper, to be honest, that back. Right? And then you got the little leather right there, the fur, and the olive colorway. Then you got like this. I don't know if this is black either. I think this might be like cement, but just like a different type of gray. I can't tell. That's not black for sure. Maybe it is. Maybe. I don't know. But there's a whole lot. And then, of course, you got type of leather right here. Like feels like a bag. Like a freaking book bag. And you got the camo on top. Obviously on top right here. Both sides. With some brown. Okay, so that's the little difference. They have the brown hair. The camo hair. You flip it in the middle, they split it, and it's camo on the bottom, brown up here. Okay, so that's a little different. The olive green base is cool, the same. This is the same. What else is here? Obviously, the best part with the right here, this type of, cement gray. Same thing in the front. One patch is gray right there, with color blocking of the olive green, but then you got this type of color on this side, whatever color that is, with the color blocking on this inside is the camouflage right there. But yeah, there's just so much going on in this shoe. Maybe the shoe can get messed up, creased, dirty, but what do you guys think about this shoe? I know this video is too long, but it's just, there's a lot going on with this shoe. Right, there's a whole bunch. What I could say inside, let me get a quick smell. Oh yeah, definitely that Nike fresh smell. But you got an orange logo in there. You got that, it feels like a silk bed sheet, silk robe with the orange is silk. Even the inside is like silk. It's like silk olive color, oil. It feels like an oil. I don't know how something could feel like a color, but it's that olive green or something in there. Yeah. And then obviously, like I said, the orange. And that's the Jumpman logo right there. There's olive color, like a brown as well. Like a gold Jumpman logo. I don't know, man. This shoe is crazy. There's a lot going on. I know this video is hella long. But yeah, this is how it looks. Let me know what you guys think about them. Did you pass? As a reseller, I copped a crazy size. I mean, like, one of the tough rare sizes. So 11.5. Like I said, I already sold it. So did you guys go for a personal? Did you flip it? Or either way, you skipped it. So either decision you made, I'm fine with that. But like I said, they keep doing too much of all these shoes. Every shoe got damn new laces now. But any questions you got, leave it in the comments. I'll respond like I always do. And like this video. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram. Check out the main channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy is out. And that's it for me.